My name is Adria and welcome back to another video. The job market is a competitive one, but there are still plenty of opportunities to rise above the fray. If you want my tips for how you can get a better job this year, keep on watching. So my first tip is to refresh your resume. It has to be tight. In addition to having your name and contact information, you want to list your experience in reverse chronological order, making sure that the most recent experience is first. You also want to make sure that you are listing your education last, and you want to explain any gaps in your resume. The second tip is to apply for both safe and stretch roles. So think about if you want to make a linear move or if you want to seek a higher level role in your next position. The third tip is to keep a spreadsheet of where you've applied and the contact person for that position. It's really easy to get confused, especially when you're deep into the job hunt. And my fourth and final tip is prepare for the interview. At a minimum, you should be able to answer these 3 questions. Tell me about yourself, what makes you the best candidate for the role, and do you have any other questions? Going into the interview confident is going to put you much more ahead of the game. If you're a job seeker, put a briefcase down in the comments so I know. I'm wishing all of you looking for a job this year the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video.